What's up everybody? If you enjoy drinking coffee but don't want to break your bank, you may want to tune into today's video. We're going to review the NESCAFÉ Gold Espresso, which is available on Amazon. It's much more cheaper than buying Starbucks every day. I'm going to taste it and we're going to see if it's worth it. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so when it comes to coffee, I don't know what you guys like to drink. I like to drink my espresso, and it's expensive when you buy it from Starbucks, Tim Hortons, or any of those things. So this comes in a 3-pack with Amazon, and it is much cheaper than if you were to buy it at a store. This has crema. Well, it's the original, right? So you basically pour, this is already boiled water, by the way. So we're just gonna put I like it strong, so we're gonna put a little more than a tablespoon. And then we have this little jar. Let's see how much this fits. It does about half. Let's go crack another one. And let's see if it fits another one. Ooh, almost, but I don't think it's gonna work. We're gonna go and mix this. Now, some people may or may not enjoy the taste of this without any sweeteners or sugars. Okay, so you don't have to put any milk inside. Let's taste this. Tastes good. It's not super bitter. This is the original. There is a little bit crema in there, but not too much. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.